Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I washed my face, which is the most important first step in any skincare beauty regime. Then this is the hero of today, tomato puree. I've taken one full tomato and made it into a puree. Then I'm going to be using raw milk for cleansing. Then for scrubbing, I'm not going to be using any store-bought scrub. I'm using tomato with a little coarse sugar, not the one which is in the jar. I've just put it into the grinder and mixed it once. I'm going to be using that sugar, so that is more easier to use. So this is how we're going to make the face pack. So to the tomato puree that we have made, I'm adding 2 spoons of rice flour, which is a great tan remover, rice flour and tomato puree. Then I'm adding honey and this red sandal powder. So I thought we have a lot of this at home, which reduces a lot of blackness on the skin. So let's get started. For our first step, we're going to start cleansing our face with the raw milk and a cotton. Make sure you go all over your face and neck for this step. And I recommend you all, when you do a facial, always have these steps. First washing your face, then cleansing, then steaming, then scrubbing, then face pack. Then you can have a cool pack also on your face, to close down all the pores. So I've cleansed my face with raw milk. It gives a really moisturizing effect and also removes impurities. Next, for those who don't have steamer at home, it's totally fine. You can do this towel treatment. Take a turkey towel, a clean turkey towel, dip it into a warm to hot water and squeeze all the water out. So rest of the heat that's there in the towel is more than enough for all your pores to get open. So just massage your face like I'm doing. It feels so warm against your skin. So leave it for around 10 seconds in one position. Your pores are ready to be open for the next step. One more thing, please don't put very hot towel on your face. That might also harm your face. Make sure you are able to touch it. You're able to bear it. Next thing is scrubbing. I'm going to do a mild scrubbing because I have grinded the sugar into further particles. I'm not going to be really harsh while it comes to scrubbing because my skin is extremely sensitive. So I just want to go very light, especially under my chin. Lately I've been getting some rashes and allergies, so I'm just going to be very gentle while scrubbing. I'm just speeding it for you guys so that we can see the next process soon. When you use sugar or lemon, I don't suggest to use lemon and sugar. It's actually a bad combo. You can use tomato and sugar. It's really mild compared to lemon and sugar. So always grind the sugar, don't use it directly. So I wash my face. Now moving on to the main face pack. I'm applying this face pack, which is made of honey, rice flour, sandal powder. Sandal powder, if it's not there at home, totally fine. Go for turmeric powder, which is equally good. Sandal powder is said to, I am married into a Mallu family, so they use sandal powder here, and it is said to remove dark spots, and it has proved really well. I'm applying it all over my face, my neck and everywhere. Take your time. Whenever you do a facial, always make some time for it because it's going to be at least a half an hour process. Make your time. This is going to be your time on a Sunday or a Saturday. This is your self-care routine. So once I finish applying, I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes until it is dried. So guys, as you all can see, I have removed the face pack. Then it was all over my shirt too, so I had to change it. And I've moisturized my skin and my lips. And I'm already feeling like it has brightened some of my dark spots because I went under the sun. though I was wearing mask here and all, it was getting tanned, but I felt it has removed a little bit. Such packs will work only when you use it on, when you can use it frequently, especially when you use milk as a cleansing agent on daily basis. You can really see a big effect. Then tomato, just take a small piece of tomato, rub it on your skin. You don't have to dip it into any sugar or rice flour or anything. Just take a raw tomato, wash your face first, then just simply massage it on your skin. You can actually see an effect after a week. So if you take tomato, it is a great tan remover, and it helps in closing the pores too. So actually, when I was in sports, I used to get tanned a lot. So potato and tomato has helped me a lot to maintain the texture of my skin. You all have to know one thing: you don't have to become fairer than the tone that you're supposed to be. Always try to maintain what your skin tone is supposed to be. Don't go behind products, or don't harm your skin by rubbing some coffee powder or harsh chemicals on your skin to just become instantly fair. You cannot become fairer than the color that you're actually having. It's basically the melanin that's there in our body. According to that only we are going to look. So whatever color you're going to be in, you are extremely beautiful, and that's what will suit you. So please try out this pack at home and let me know if you liked it and if you all saw a great change in your skin. So you are beautiful the way you are. Always remember that. Just enhance your, look fresh, enhance your beauty with such things. And stay safe. Wear a mask when you go out. Please stay safe. So until I meet you all with another video, please share, subscribe and comment and like if you like this video. If I made any mistakes, please let me know in the comments box. Until I meet you all soon, take care. Bye.